love somebody, love somebody, but I like it.
Tjena! I'm having a go at playing YouTube. I'm having a go. I thought I'd give you some information about the trip so far. And it's been about 2 weeks now, a bit more than 2 weeks. So first night in Bangkok, went down to the east coast of Thailand, so Koh Tao, 2 nights. Then obviously went to the full moon on Koh Phangan. Memorable night, definitely recommend that. Then I went back to Koh Tao, and I've been here for about a week and a half now. I'm leaving tomorrow for Koh Lanta, which is on the west coast, if you didn't know. So meeting up a couple of mates in Koh Lanta, and after that I'm not really sure what the plan is. Probably going to be doing Bali. Not sure when though, because it's obviously raining in February, so you don't really want to be there, like, especially not in early February, but we'll see.
Okay people, how's it going? Thought I'd check in and give you a bit of a sit rep. We've arrived at the highlight of Thailand, basically, which is Khao Sok National Park, or Khao Sok Lake, which we stayed. Me and my two mates, we stayed a night on the lake, on like a raft village, very picturesque.
Mèo à, có cái tính từng mét lên. Chạy vô người ta đá nên.
Mấy tôi không hiểu uống à. Chơi lại phải lại đâu.
Ai đi ai chết. Ai chết.
Còn tôi biết cái ấy cũng bị chạm phải đấy đi. Thì cũng kịp tiến luôn. Vậy.
Cung để phát hả Quang?
Đây, trâu tôi bắt đi. Đây trâu tôi.
Ok. Đi đâu rồi?
Right, so this is insane, right? If you ever come to the northern part of Thailand, oh shit, you should definitely hire a motorbike, and you should go on the road that's in between Pai and Chiang Mai. This road is a nightmare if you're sitting in a van, but if you're on a motorbike, I mean, I can't even. So this is what I'm riding. This for 800 baht a day, which is about £25. It's like a Kawasaki, I don't even know, racer. It's listen to this, right? This is on this mountain road, this insane road. Oh. Anyway, apart from this epic road, this is the end of Thailand. So next one is Bali on the schedule. Gonna be surfing a lot. So yeah, see you in the next one.